August 5th, 2021. I am at Breckenridge, Colorado, Beaver Run Resort, and I am headed up to the top of Peak 10, up there. About 6 miles just to get up. So we'll see how long it takes. And yeah, I'm excited. Elevation here is about 9,300 and Peak 10 is 13 something. So yeah, nice crisp morning, and here we go. I am 2 miles up on the trail. The ski resort here at Breckenridge is the highest in North America. And the highest ski lift is right over here, going up to 12,841 feet to Peak 8. And then if you look over here, somewhere over here is Peak 9, and then you've got Peak 10. This is my first time ever being here, but definitely like to come back and come snowboard in the winter. It's getting real now. I made it to the ski boundary area. There's a sign up there. Peak 10 Road number 751. A phone says that I'm at 11,930 feet. Another Jeep just passed. There's Peak 10. Well, my Fitbit says I've gone 7.4 miles and I'm about 4 hours and 25 minutes into this thing. Hopefully, within the next hour, I'll make it up to the top and see what it looks like from up there. I'm really excited. We're at 13,330 right now. There's the summit right there. Not too far. I'm definitely not used to this altitude. The trail is turned into all screen talus. Lots of it. Going all the way up. The summit is within view, and probably another 150 yards and we'll be there. Man, this rock is so jagged. Good example right here. Broken up. That is like a knife blade. That is a drop off. All right, here's the summit. Flag marks the spot. Woo! Oh, all right. Woo! That's the flag. All right. Made it to the top of Peak 10 here in Breckenridge, Colorado. 13,640 feet. Thankful I could do this. Healthy enough to do this and all. So this was fun. Made it up to the top in 6 hours and 5 minutes and 8.7 miles from the base. What's really neat is my dad, when he was 21 with a friend, came and did the same mountain, and I'm 21 right now. So that's pretty special. See if we can do one 360 here. Hey guys, I think that about wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching. A few clouds overhead. So I think I'm gonna start heading back down because it's starting to get cloudy down there. See y'all in another video. Ciao.